చంద్రబాబు నాయుడు హత్య రాజకీయాలను ప్రోత్సహిస్తూ ప్రజాస్వామ్యాన్ని కూనీ చేస్తున్నారని వైఎస్ఆర్సీపీ అధ్యక్షుడు జగన్మోహన్ రెడ్డి పేర్కొన్నారు. తాము అధికారంలో ఉన్నప్పుడు దాడులను ప్రోత్సహించలేదని, రెడ్ బుక్లో భాగంగానే మంత్రి లోకేష్ ఇదంతా చేస్తున్నారని, అధికారం ఎవరికీ శాశ్వతం కాదని ఈ సందర్భంగా ఢిల్లీలోని జంతర్ మంతర్ వద్ద నిర్వహించిన ధర్నాలో వైఎస్ జగన్ పేర్కొన్నారు.
That our people would vandalize, our people would kill, our people would assault, and there should be no action taken on them. When you have somebody like Nara Lokesh, Chandrababu Naidu's sons holding this red book, and this red book being captured in the form of hoardings, now think about what kind of message it is sending. Now he starts off with a red book at the state level. You have a similar kind of red books being displayed and vengeance being taken at everybody from the grassroots level, at the village level. Now this is the plight of affairs. Now I'd like to question one thing. Today they are in power, tomorrow we could come into power. Yesterday we were in power. But when we were in power, we had never propagated such kind of behavior. We have never encouraged people to take vengeance like this. We have never encouraged assaults. We have never encouraged private property being vandalized. We have never encouraged government property to be vandalized. We have never encouraged killings. But today the situation is different in Andhra Pradesh. Now, if we don't question this, being part of democracy, then can you imagine the plight of democracy going forward if this were to be encouraged? I urge the entire media, the national media especially, I also urge various parties who actually constitute democracy to have a look at these photographs what are displayed, to have a look at the video clippings which are being displayed. Have a look at them and then ask yourself, is this what we want from democracy? You have various photographs what are being displayed where in broad daylight people are being hacked to death, where you have photographs and video clippings displayed.
మరిన్ని అప్డేట్స్ కోసం మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి.